How to make connections on LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make connections on LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to make connections on LinkedIn, first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application. Now you can do so on the browser itself as well. Once you open up the account, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen on the app, you'll find the option that says My Network. As you can see beside home option, you want to simply tap on it. Now here a list of users that you may know will appear that you can connect. You'll find the connect option along with the profile, or if you open up the profile, you'll get the option to connect as well. So here you can see the subscribe connect option here. Similarly, if you have any invitations, you'll find it here on invitations option. So you'll find received as well, you'll find sent as well here, or you'll find if you have any request as well right here. So here you can make connections on LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.